Howdy rock stars, in this video we're going to listen to two microphones from JZ Mics, the V67 and the V11 microphone, and we're going to hear them on a quick song I did on every instrument, only using these two mics, so get ready to rock. Hey, if this is your first time here, my name is Lid Shaw and welcome to Recording Studio Rockstars. If you want to learn how to record, edit, mix, and master your best record ever, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any videos from us here. And if you like this song coming up, hit that like button too. So JZ Microphones out of Latvia makes beautiful microphones with their unique Golden Drop Capsule design. I have in my hand the V67, which is modeled after the classic U67 microphone, and the V11, which I actually don't know what it's modeled after, but it sounds awesome. We're gonna listen to both these mics on a whole bunch of instruments. Here's a little song that I put together for you. If you like it, drop a comment in below and let us know which mic you like best on each instrument. I think we got it, man. Woo! Thanks so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more, check out these mics at jzmic.com. And if you're interested in taking your own mixes to the next level and learning ways to make things sound radio ready and like a pro mix, even like I did for this video, then check out my free mixing course at mixmasterbundle.com, where I show you how to mix a song using nothing but free plugins and Pro Tools. You'll find the link right below in this video or flying over my head somewhere. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.